Podcast title, PVS, Public Voices of Students. Episode, title, How to Make Money, Even as a Kid. Hey, what's up, PVS family? You're listening to Public Voices of Students, where your voice, your future, and your power all matter. I'm your host, NJ, and today we're diving into something super real that school doesn't always teach us: how to make money. Yes, even if you're only 12, 14, or 16. Because let's be honest, knowing how to read a map is cool. But wouldn't it be even cooler to know how to buy your own phone or save up for something big on your own terms? Let's get into it. So, how do you actually make money? No, you don't need a full-time job and a suit and tie just yet. There are tons of ways you can start earning right now, legally and smartly. Here are a few ideas. Freelancing. If you're good at drawing, writing, or making music, people will pay for your skills, even online. Online surveys. Some websites pay you to give your opinion. It's not a ton, but hey, every dollar counts. Selling stuff. Got old clothes, shoes, or video games? Sell them online or at a local spot. Providing services. Think lawn care, babysitting, cleaning bikes, or even walking dogs. Passive income. This is money you make from something you already did, like making a YouTube video that keeps earning views, or selling digital products like beats, artwork, or even mini courses. And of course, there's regular employment, like working at a local store, after-school program, or summer job, where you get paid by the hour and have a schedule set by a boss. And let's not forget side hustles, things you can do in your free time to make extra money legally and ethically, like cutting grass, washing cars, or starting a snack business after school. So why should you care about making money now? Because you're already old enough to learn how the real world works. School teaches us a lot of things, but it usually skips one important life skill: money management. Knowing how to earn, save, and spend money the right way will help you become more independent. Understand how much things really cost. Make smarter choices about spending and saving, and avoid debt later in life. Plus, when you start early, you've got more time to grow your skills and maybe even build your own business one day. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let me be real for a second. Learning how to make money changed my life. It gave me freedom. I didn't have to ask for money every time I wanted something. It also taught me the value of hard work. Like, when you earn your own $20, you think twice before blowing it on junk food or a new game skin. Plus, it's helped me dream bigger, like saving up for college, helping out my family, or even investing in stuff that earns more money later on. Making money isn't just about getting rich, it's about having options, feeling secure, and building the life you want. So here's the bottom line. Money matters, and you don't have to be an adult to start making it. Whether it's a side hustle, an online gig, or a part-time job, you've got the power to start now. Learn it, live it, and level up. Because the earlier you start, the further you'll go. That's it for today's episode of PVS, Public Voices of Students. If this helped you, share it with a friend, or hit me up with your money-making ideas. I'd love to hear how you plan to get that bag. Catch you next time. And remember, your voice has power. Peace.